Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In these videos, we are showing you how to solve this math problem with if alphas and betas are roots of the equation x squared plus 2x plus 2 equals 0. Find the values of alphas and power 15 and plus beta and power 15. Do you know how to solve this? If you know, please do it. When you do it already, please come back to watch my video from beginning to the end to verify your solution. And before we go to the solution, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more exciting video. Okay, now we go to the solution together. Okay. Solution. We know that if this equation x squared plus bx plus c equals 0 have two roots alphas and beta is so we get the relatives of alpha and beta with the ABC with alphas and plus beta is equal negative b and divided by a, and alpha times beta is equal c divided by a. So our equation is x squared plus 2x plus 2 equals 0. So we get this alpha plus beta is equal negative 2 and divided by 1 and equal negative 2. And alpha beta is equal c divided by a equal 2 divided by 1 and equal 2. So now we use this that find the value of alpha power 15 plus beta power 15 equal, okay, sorry. And now we have this. We have, okay, alphas and beta are root of x squared plus 2x and plus 2 equals 0. So we get alphas plus beta equal negative 2. Okay, equal negative 2. And alpha times beta is equal to, okay, equal to. Okay, and now we use this to find the value of this. The first step, I find the values of alpha square and plus beta square. And so now I write this to square. Then we get this alpha plus beta whole to square is equal negative 2 whole to square. And here is, we use the formulas, if a plus b whole to square is equal a squared plus 2ab and plus b squared. And so here is, we get this alpha squared and plus 2 times alpha and times beta and plus beta squared. And it's equal negative 2 squared is equal 4. And now this we get alpha squared and plus beta squared and plus 2 and times alpha beta is equal 2. So we replace it by 2. So it's equal 4. And we get this alpha squared plus beta squared is equal 2 times 2 is equal 4. And we change it to the right hand side. So we get this 4 minus 4 is equal 0. So we get the values of alpha squared plus beta squared equals 0. Okay, and now I use this multiply both sides of this. So now I use this get alpha plus beta and time alpha squared plus beta squared is equal -2 and time 0. And now we expand out this. So we multiply in, we get this alpha power 3 plus it is alpha beta squared plus it is alpha squared and time beta plus here is we get beta power 3 and equal -2 and times 0 we get 0. And here is we get a 5 power 3 plus beta power 3 plus here is we take alpha and beta out of factor. So we get this alpha beta and time is we get beta plus is we get alpha and equal 0. And now here is we get alpha power 3 plus beta power 3 plus here is we replace by 2. So and time here is we get -2, okay, and equal 0. And 2 times -2 we get -4. And we change it to the right hand side. So we get is 4. Okay, we get alpha power 3 plus beta power 3 equal 4. Okay, now we get alpha power 3 plus beta power 3 equal 4. Okay, now we take this. And now I take to both sides of this to multiply it. So we get alpha squared plus beta squared and time alpha power 3 plus beta power 3 is equal 0 and time 4. So we expand this. We get alpha power 5 plus expand this. We get alpha squared and beta power 3 plus expand this. We get alpha power 3 and beta squared plus we multiply this. We get beta power 5 equals 0. Okay, so we get this alpha power 5 plus beta power 5 plus here is you take alpha squared and beta squared out of factor. So we get alpha squared and beta squared and time we get this beta plus we get this alpha and equal 0. And here is we get alpha beta 5 plus beta power 5 plus here is we take all whole to square. We get this alpha and beta squared and plus here if we change we get alpha plus beta equals 0. And so here is we replace by 2 and here is we replace by -2. Okay, now here is we get alpha power 5 plus beta power 5 and plus 2 squares and times -2 equals 0. And here is 2 squares equal 4. And 4 times -2 we get -8. So we get alpha power 5 plus beta power 5 is -8 equal 0. So we take h to the right hand side. So we get alpha power 5 plus beta power 5 equal 8. So we get this value. Okay, now we take this. So we get this value alpha power 5 plus beta power 5 equal 8. Okay, now we get the value of this. And then now I raise both sides of this equation to power 3. So we get this alpha power 5 plus beta power 5 whole to power 3 is equal 8 whole to power 3. Okay, now this, we expand this. I use the formulas. If you notice, is plus b whole to the power 3 is equal a power 3 plus 3a squared b plus 3ab squared plus b power 3. And it's equal, I can write it is nearly, we get a power 3 plus b power 3 and plus. It is, I take 3ab out. So we get 3ab's and times a and plus b. And so here is get alpha and power 5 whole to power 3. Okay? And plus is betas and power 5 whole to power 3. And plus is plus 3ab's. We get 3ab is our power 5 and times beta power 5 and times is a plus b. A plus b we get alpha power 5 and plus beta power 5. Okay, beta power 5 and equal a power 3. A power 3 equal a squared and times 8. We get this 64 and 64 and times 8. We get this 2 and 3. Okay, we get 512. 512. Okay, now we use this. And here is, we multiply, we get use the formulas is a power m whole to power n is equal a power m times n. And so we get this 5 times 3. We get this alpha and power 15 plus beta and power 15. Okay, so now this. Okay? Okay. So now this we take 5 whole to power 5. So 3 alpha times beta and power 5 and time here is we replace by 8. Okay? And equal 512 and here is right is alpha power 15 and beta power 15 and plus 3. Alpha beta I replace by 2. So we get this 2 and power 5 and times 8 and equal 512. You see this? 2's power 5 equals 32 and 32 times 3. 32 and times 3. We get this 9 and we times 8. We get this 8. We get 4. We get this 72 and plus 4 we get 76. So we get this alpha and power 15 plus beta and power 15 plus is 168 equal 512. So we take this to the right hand side. We get alpha power 15 plus beta power 15 equal 512 minus 768. And it's equal, we take 768 rate and minus 512. We get this 6, we get this 5, we get this 2. But it's the smaller, so we get this negative 256 is our answer. Thanks for watching. If you like my videos, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos. Goodbye, see you next video.